purpose of this video is to show how to create a recipe using the Cook and Hold oven with Deluxe control. Creating a recipe consists of setting the cooking mode and parameters for each step, naming the recipe, adding a description to the recipe, adding a photo to the recipe, and adding the recipe to a category. To create a recipe, do the following. Touch the recipe book icon. The Browse Recipe screen displays. Touch the plus icon. The Stage Type screen displays. Choose your stage type. Our first stage will be a preheat. For this recipe, the oven will preheat to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Touch the recipe name and enter your recipe name. Touch the check mark to save. Touch Recipe Description to enter a description for your recipe. The more descriptive, the better. Touch the check mark to return to the Create Recipe screen. Touch the plus sign to add a new stage. We will add a cook stage. Then, we'll touch the Cook by Probe icon to change the cooking method from by time to by probe. Touch the probe temperature value and set it to your desired temperature. Our brisket will cook until it reaches an internal temperature of 185 degrees Fahrenheit. The oven's internal temperature will remain at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll also set the oven to hot smoke. See the video on how to hot smoke for further instruction. Touch the delete icon to delete a stage or action if necessary. Touch the plus icon to add an additional stage or action. Our last stage will be a hold stage. In a hold stage, the oven's internal temperature and the probe set temperature are the same. We will set our temperature to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Scroll to Pictures to add a photo to the recipe. The starred photo is your main photo, but it's helpful to add more photos to capture the entire process. Scroll to Categories to add the recipe to a category. You can select more than one or create a new category. Touch the Save icon when finished to save the recipe. Your new recipe has been created. For more videos, please visit our website.